make I hug. Hey. I just wishing you guys happy Father's Day. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's still your favorite person, Cyndy CJAY. You guys, today is Father's Day, 21st of June, yeah, today is Father's Day, and it's in order to wish my subscribers, the men that are subscribed to my channel that are fathers. This is Cyndy CJAY wishing you guys happy Father's Day. Okay, do have a lovely day, and God bless you. Okay, so yeah, what are we doing today? So I want to make nkwobi and catfish pepper soup for Hubby. So I've already cooked the pomo. So this is the pomo for the nkwobi. I'll be cooking the catfish shortly. Me go and bring the catfish. Let me show you guys. It's in the fridge. The one you kept in the fridge yesterday. So we'll be cooking. Why is this thing dark? Well, it's kind of dark. So I'll be cooking the catfish pepper soup as well. And what again? That's basically it. We have white rice. We might be eating the pepper soup with rice. So yeah. So here is the catfish. This is the old catfish we bought some time ago. They're kind of small, but yeah, I want to finish it before I start cooking the ones we bought from Birmingham Market. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the vlog, okay? Me go make your cereal now. Hey, this guy can dance. Greet guys. Hello guys.
Welcome to my new channel.
New channel. We come and greet guys. We check out. Hi guys. Greet guys.
Hi guys.
Tell them happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
I just wishing you guys happy Father's Day. Alright, go and make your breakfast now, okay? So who kept this cake here? If you are not eating it yet, got here in my fridge. Do you like the yam? You fried yam, yeah? Maybe you have it for dinner. Oh, no, I will not have time for you. Okay, you have it for dinner maybe on Monday. Because today I don't have time for dinner today. Where is the father? Where is the present?
Oh, yeah,
Daddy, this is you. And this is Rock Daddy.
So finally there's a Father's Day. Happy to Daddy, happy Father's Day. To Dad, happy Father's Day, love. Ade Zaid. Oh, see my pen. Dad. Happy.
It's a golden pen. Oh, the motherfucking golden pen.
Yeah, it's the other one. Look at this one.
That has Daddy's face on it. No, it's a picture that has me and So-So. Daddy. Daddy, should we get you a picture?
So at least you can arrange spoons, can't you?
This is catfish.
Oh, catfish now. Okay, all the small, Abby. It's okay if one person chop like 4 now.
Just
touch your soup. My baby, my castle pin tun hi they tun body they do me make I hug it. Hi they have me body they do me make I hug it. My baby, Juju. Why I do to body they do me make I hug it. That's what we victory.
So the charger and charge fast.
Because this battery was like 25 and now it's 66. So which one are you taking?
See you on 7 they have seen him.
There are days and so.
They will take.
Cost 7.5. Hold on, 7.5.
Let me take it.
So what?
This one is your own.
She's a Mary.
It's enough. Take your plantain.
Yes, I was just lying down.
And doing what?
Nothing.
That's also come and take pepper soup. That's one and more pepper soup. I know now. That's why it's called
I like pepper soup. Yay.
So do you want with rice?
Nope.
Just pepper soup. Yeah. Carefully.
It's too hot.
These are maybe. Do you want fish? I'll give you one fish. Here you go.
Mommy, what's wrong with pepper soup?
The soup is not loose like that now. Like this. Take your spoon. This one you're carrying pot eating. You will show in the vlog like this. So. There's only one fish that we eat.
Wait, it's enough.
See, wait.
Well,
Two tail.
that is what
Two
I
heads.
want. Everything is my golo this one.
That one is I will go to work with it. It's plantain. Okay, there's two tail. One, two tail. One body, one head.
I don't want head.
This one. Oh, let me take one body, one tail. Rice and pepper soup. smells so lovely, you guys. The combination of this lavender, pine forest, and vanilla. Ah, this smells heavenly. Fast, your time is counting.